Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you how to install HandBrake in Ubuntu 18.04. First we need to open the terminal, press Ctrl Alt plus T, it will open the terminal. In the terminal you have to add this code. I will give the code in the description box, please do check that. Copy the code and paste it in the terminal, hit enter and it will ask you to enter the password, hit enter. After adding the PPA, you need to run this command in the terminal. You can copy or type. I am going to paste this code and hit enter. Do you want to continue? Yes. Now HandBrake is installed on your Ubuntu PC. To see the HandBrake, on the bottom left, you need to click on Show Applications. Under the applications, you can see the HandBrake. Click on that. Here is the HandBrake application. That's it guys. In this way you can install HandBrake on Ubuntu 18.04. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.